nobody stopping me.
What's up, guys? I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and this here is a 2023 Acura Integra. So this car does not have SiriusXM radio. What we did is we added it to the original screen and the original radio. We put the Vase technology device. It connects through this USB right here. It mounts in back of this radio, so you don't actually see anything except for this cable. And we mounted the satellite radio antenna on top of the car and the roof. So it's really easy to use. All you have to do is go to the media button, you press media, and it has a USB emulation. So once you do that, it has the SiriusXM preview. You do have to activate it in order to get the stations. But once you do have it activated, you can press this right-hand side button, which is the list button, and you can go to artist, and it'll play. You can choose your stations from there. So you can go to different radio stations. You can set presets, and all you have to do is press forward on and backwards on the buttons here, and you can change your presets from there. So this is available on our website. Click the link below, use the code YT to get a special discount, and we can ship it to you. If you're in the Santa Clarita area or the Los Angeles County area, come by and check us out. That's Santa Clarita Auto Sound.